Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to take better selfies with the 12 megapixel front camera on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin! First you want to open your camera and switch to the selfie mode. As you can see, the very first, let's say, rule of taking selfies is to make sure that the light source is not behind you, as your face will be covered in the shadows. You can either move and turn around, or you can click the light source and then by going to the left, slightly decreasing the light intensity or bumping it up if you need to. Other option is to enabling the multi-face feature, as it will automatically detect multiple faces and will automatically make them go in the focus mode. And lastly, the very cool feature is the let's say face modification. Here you can change the tone, so you can increase the tone values of your face. You can increase or decrease your jawline. You can make your eyes prettier or no. And here you can also change the smoothness. And these all are built-in Samsung features that you have on your own Galaxy A56. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.